Very cute. Okay. Slippery from the lotion. Hey guys, it's Ipsy time. I finally freaking got it in the mail. Hot and sweaty coming from you from Arizona. I'm freaking hot. And this looks delicious right now. I wish I could use some lemonade right now. That looks so cute. I actually really like this bag. I like the feel of it. It's not going to get that dirty. And it's huge. It's big. Too bad it doesn't smell like lemons, does it? No, it doesn't. It smells like plastic. Alright, let's see what I got. Okay, the first item I have is from Eiko Black Magic, and it's a liquid liner. Ooh, it's very sharp and little. Ooh, I like that. Even when it's thick, it's not that thick, which is really nice. So we'll see how that lasts by the end of the video, but very good sample. Next thing is body butter cream. Triple citrus blend. Ooh. What is that? What? Oh. Because there's a cover on it. I'm stupid. So let me peel that off. Let's see what it smells like. Hopefully it doesn't explode. Ooh, that smells good. Mmm, yummy. What's in it? Shea butter. Grapefruit, orange, and tangerine, and I smell all of them. So good. Yes, lotions I love. Thank you. Next item is from Nomad, and it's Champagne Wreath. Is this a oh, it's an eyeshadow. Look at that packaging. Very nice. Let's see what eyeshadow I got. Oh, it's really cute and little. It's small. Very cute. Okay. Slippery from the lotion. Oh, it's like a gold. That's nice. Ooh, look at that pigment. Can you guys see that? I don't even know if my lighting, like, what's with my lighting here. That's really pretty. Dang, yeah. Okay, the next item I have is from Berry and Juice. And it is a vegan lip gel. Vegan lip gel, huh? With blackberry and raspberry extract. Softened shea butter. Ooh, that's a really pretty color. Ooh, yeah. Oh my god, that smells so good. It literally smells like Starburst or something. Like candy. Like, yes, thank you. It doesn't do anything. Definitely no color, at least on my lips, but oh, that is yummy. Thank you. That is really cool. Okay, card, totally forgot. Build your dream bag. So what I got in my bag here. Last item is a big item, actually. It looks like a full size from Ofra. Always getting stuff from Ofra. Okay. And this is a highlighter, Rodeo Drive. Ooh, look at that. That is freaking amazing. That is beautiful. Oh, look at that glow. Holy smokes. Can you guys see that? That is absolutely beautiful. Yeah. So full size for sure. That's got to be a full size. So Ofra highlighter. What else did we get here, or did I throw it all? Eyeliner, shadow, lip, and lotion. Like, another great bag. Definitely excited about this one. It felt really thick, so obviously a full-size product was super awesome. So let me know what you guys got in your bag. I hope you enjoyed mine, and I will see you guys next week. Did I really just say next week? I mean next month. Bye! Bye!